Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free. All large companies need to determine their inventory amounts. Most companies take physical inventory of all goods at the end of an accounting period. This is important to keep accurate accounting records and also to help eliminate waste and employee theft. This process involves counting, weighing, and measuring each kind of inventory on hand. Because this is such an enormous task for large companies, most businesses take inventory when the company is closed or when business is slow. Walmart, for example, has a year-end, for accounting purposes, of January 31st, giving them extra time to count inventory quantities after the holidays. There are a few challenges when it comes to accounting for inventory. One challenge is making sure a company actually owns the inventory. There are two key questions companies should ask when determining ownership. Do all of the goods included in the count actually belong to the company? And does the company own any goods that were not included in the count? Sometimes goods in transit can provide a challenge. Goods in transit are goods that are in the process of being shipped by truck, train, ship, or plane. If the buyer pays for shipping costs, ownership passes to the buyer when the goods are in the process of being shipped. If the seller pays for shipping costs, ownership passes to the buyer when the goods physically arrive at the company. Consigned goods present another problem for determining inventory quantities. Consigned goods are goods held for sale by one party, although ownership of the goods is retained by another party. For example, if you decide to sell your car and a dealership allows you to use a location to advertise the car for a small fee, then the car would be considered a consigned good, and ownership is retained by you instead of the car dealership. If an inventory of the car dealership were taken, your car would not be included in the count. Overall, it's important for companies to analyze ownership and inventory amounts in order to get the most accurate accounting records possible. Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.